So today we're going to be doing a little bit of work on the Audi 80 Cabriolet. So we're coming into the better weather now. I've discovered that the electric windows, which have been temperamental on the Audi Cabriolet, now don't work at all. So I knew that I needed to do something with the relay. So now that is pretty urgent because the hood won't go down without the windows going down. So the panel that it's under, it's relay 367, and it's held on by 3 8mm bolts. So we need to get this panel off. And there's also a cheeky one under there. I wonder why it wasn't coming out. And that's the panel now dropped down. Just take that right out. Give me an opportunity to make sure it's nice and dry. Yep, good. That's fine. So I know we did have some water ingress in the footwell before. Seems to be nice and dry under there now. I checked that. So this relay, well, that's quite clearly 397. There's 367 is a way up there. It looks like someone's been in there before with cable ties, so we'll just snip 377 out and we'll take 367. So here is relay 367. So all we need to do is just pull these little tabs up and slide it out. It also looks like there's a wee bit of kind of white corrosion around these, so we'll clean that all up as well. As you can see, these ones here are shiny. You can see that. But like so, these ones are a bit dull. So we'll open it up and see what's what. Right, so I found the problem. I was told that there could be a dry joint on one of the solders, and I'll just get my screwdriver so I can point. You might not see this on the camera. I don't know if it will focus in. Let's turn the light off and we'll see. Right, you can see there's cracks. That's all cracked. See that round there? So we're going to try and put a blob of solder on that. Let's fire up the soldering iron. Right, so there we are. It's not the neatest job in the world, but as you can see, I've kept it where it should be, and I've filled in all the cracks. Let's see if it works. Right, so that's that all back together now. As soon as I've turned the ignition on, this has never happened before, we now have windows that work straight away. I'm happy with that. It's always the driver's window that was temperamental. It would take about half an hour to wake up. I think the passenger window's a bit slow. I can hear it trying to work. There we go. It's a bit slow. I'll not put that down too far. That one goes. And that one. Yes. Excellent. Cheap fix. Happy with that.